Hello again. So I want to present you one of our testing devices for the Aquatarder. So this is the whole cover and this is the mechanical seal. So if you have problems with the leaking of the two holes, then this mechanical seal is broken. Okay, it is damaged, it is scratched, it is broken. While turning, the ceramic surfaces that are flat need to seal this part from the transmission, okay, with the oil, the cooling liquid with the oil. Dirt will scratch these surfaces, okay? While functioning, it will leak out. Okay, I will show you. We are applying now 4 bar to our future retarder, okay, to this mechanical seal. I'm going to start the motor. We can give it whatever speed we want, and while applying 4 bar to the mechanical seal, okay, you see nothing is leaking out, nothing, not one drop, absolutely nothing. So this is how we test our retarders. This is one of our tests. So you can be sure what is going out from us, it's working very good. But the dirt from the cooling system will scratch these parts. It will damage everything.